plus 0.40. Let us do one more question on this same, so that more clarity comes. So here we have taken very basic question to understand the concept to compute machine hour rate. You later on see how we are going to compute. First you understand the concept. Concept is that for computation of your machine hour rate, we have to take two things. First one is we have to take standing charges. Second, we have to take machine expenses. In machine expenses, here in this question, we see that depreciation is there, repair and maintenance is there, power is there. So these three items are under machine expenses. And in standing charges, we have got shop expenses. Then we have got insurance. Then we are able to calculate standing charge per hour. And once we compute standing charge per hour, we can know per hour cost. So let us see one more question based on the same concept. You note down the question. So find out machine hour rate for machine number, let it be any number. So let us start with cost of machine, rupees. Cost of machine rupees 11,000. The scrap value 680. Repair for working life 1,500. Standing expenses for 4-week period, that is for month, it is rupees 1,600. Then effective working life 10,000 hours. Power 6 unit per hour at the rate of 5 paisa per unit. Then operating hours during 4-week period, that is in a month, operating hours is your 120 hours. Now some other informations are given. There are 40 machines. In the workshop, and each bearing equal overhead charges. So now you have to compute machine hour rate for this. Now, how do we compute? Have you noted down the question? Have you noted it down?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, the in same method we would be using, that is computation of machine hour rate. You do one thing. First, what we will compute? We will compute standing charges in this for one machine. The standing charges, that is 1600 divided by how many machines are there? 40 machines. So standing charges, now you have to calculate, that is
64.
standing charges per hour. So working hour is your 120 given in the question. Operating hours 120. So you take
640.
40 divided by 120 hours. You will get 0.333. Now second, what you have to compute? Machine expenses. Now in machine expenses, first one is your depreciation. Depreciation, how we compute? Cost minus scrap value. So here you can compute it. Cost minus cost is 11,000 minus 680. You will get 10,320. This is your depreciation. Now for this, you compute it for 1 hour. For 1 hour, effective working life is 10,000. So you divide this 10,320 divided by 10,000, which is your, again given in the question, that effective working life is 10,000 hours. So per hour you compute it, you will get 0.1.032. Then next is your repair. Repair, again, you take the whole cost divided by its working life. So per hour you will get 0.150. The next is the power. Power, how much is being consumed? 6 units at the rate of 5 paisa. So 6 units at the rate of 5 paisa. So power consumption is 6 into 5 paisa. You will get 30 paisa. So you write down this, and so now you compute machine hour rate by adding up all these items. You add up all these items. And there you will get now you can note down what are the items that comes under standing charges. Now should I move ahead?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, what are the items that come under standing charges? You can note it down there. Then we can discuss more questions tomorrow or day after tomorrow, if tomorrow is Sunday. What are the items? You note it down, like rent and taxes. We are noting what we are noting. We are noting what comes under standing charges. So rent and taxes. Lighting expenses. Lighting expenses. Similarly, there are consumable stores, higher purchase interest, supervisor's salary, attendance. So these are some of the items that come under standing charges. Tomorrow we will, or day after tomorrow, we will see question on various items that are included under standing charges and compute machine hour rate. So for today, now since our time is also getting over, so that's all for today. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.